Twilika maunduni ma uima wa mwii kana Muvea wa uima wa mwii niwaweta kana vakuvi Nzanzo mbee wa ngili maana nyanya na muthemba wa astrazeneca ta ithukie na iitonya utumika Aineena na aandiki mauvoo mwandiki mutetheesya muveani uswa uima wa mwii Mercy Mwangangi niwaweta kana nikumana na aakenya methiitwe mateuvika utonywa Nzanzo isu na muno itina wa miao ya kwisiania na uwa wa corona kwithiwa imwe inavetangiwe. Joseph Kitheka nukutuelesya.
Mbewa ndosi ngili maana na miongwena siya kusanzikwe ya corona siya astrazeneca ni nthuku kumana na kulea kutumika. Huni kwena na uneni wake munini wa minista muveani wa Kenya mwandu Mercy Mwangangi ulaweta kana yukumana na kwanangika kwa Nzanzo ii vayundungi matona kwika heka kusiecha vala vailite.
In terms of the doses, and I'll be inviting Dr. Akwale to share with us the details. In terms of the 840,000 AstraZeneca doses, yes, we do have data. We do have, like we've mentioned, a stock of different platforms of vaccines. When we do our projections, we see the risk of, if Kenyans don't show up within the next 3 weeks, there will be another 1 million doses that may possibly expire. And this is of a different platform. And so the issue of expiries and the risk, rather, of expiries is not just about AstraZeneca. It's all the platforms that we have. And so that is why we saw it very important today to come, to talk to Kenyans, to share with them this current challenge that we have, but to ask them to work with us in ensuring that really we do not waste those doses, because it would be such a shame to have had all those doses available, the effort that went into mobilizing them and having them availed in the country, and then to have us then lose them through expiries.
Mwangangi Aineena ingine waweta kana ndosi ingi karibu milioni umwe siya Johnson & Johnson si mwisioni wako thuka hedha itumeka tuvika matuku 14 mwai uwa kana. Ingi Mwangangi na wadala nyakati wa kaunti ila itongwete kwa kwanangika kwa Nzanzo ii vala kaunti ya Nakuru itongwete na Nzanzo ngili 35 itendo miku ikati one kaunti ya Mbusia ila ina Nzanzo ngili 2 na muunza maana kenda na 8.
In terms of waste, I'm proud to say as a country we have a good waste management policy, particularly for health products and technologies. This is an issue that the country has been able to deal with in the past for years and years in the years past. Remember, we have many other commodities beyond vaccines. We have drugs, we have surgical outputs that we use, we have non-pharmaceutical products that we use. So Kenya knows how to dispose waste. And so there's a mechanism of how we do it, and it's one that's guided also by the international code of how to dispose medical waste.
Kumaraki Mwangangi ni wakuli aakenya meyumbilie na kwa Nzanzo ii ila waweta tasi otedi munene kula kuimwe Enenthi nikienda kuisiania na mwisho wa igwe ya corona nikienda kuendea kusiya Nzanzo isieke kuthuka mana. Joseph Kitheka, Mbingi wa mauvoo.